Welcome everyone to Water Campus. Today we will take to underground sewage treatment plant, how it works, how it looks and operate. So this is the first unit as screen. So sewage comes here, all the particles is removed, then oil and grease trap for removing oil. This is the equalization tank for equalizing the flow and make it uniform, and submersible pumps are there which will transfer the sewage from equalization tank to another unit. So if you see, this is a blower. This means you see that aeration is going on over here. Coarse diffuser bulbs are diffusers are placed at bottom of this tank. Now it goes to another tank, and this tank is anoxic tank. So this tank is anoxic, where denitrification process takes place. Here nitrogen is removed from here, and the next unit is aeration, or we call it as a bioreactor tank. This is the heart of the plant, where all the reactions, microorganisms and all takes place. You see, these are the ventilators. Since this is an underground plant, so ventilations are provided. So now we are going towards MBR. So we will see how MBR plant looks in an underground plant for a sewage treatment plant. Look, this is an MBR plant. This is submerged, and aeration is already going on over here. And how aeration is going on, this is submerged MBR, as I told you. So these are the MBR permeate pumps. So through the suction of these, through the membrane, the wastewater which is coming here through MLSs, all is taken care. This is the dosing tank. Since you know, in MBR dosing is required for cleaning the membrane, and so a cycle is there for cleaning purpose. Here you see the this is a softener plant, and also beside that, this is a treated tank. You see, all the treated water from MBR is collected over here through MBR permeate pumps. And you see, these are the screw pumps for dewatering system, and for dewatering system we are using centrifuge over here. Thanks for watching.